Hey everyone, welcome back to a channel where we dive into the latest social media tips and tricks. Today we're talking about something super exciting, how to add clickable links directly to your Instagram post. Yes, you heard that right. Let's get into it. Until recently, adding clickable links to Instagram posts wasn't possible unless you were using ads. But now Instagram has rolled out a game-changing feature that allows some users to include clickable links in their captions. Now, let's break down how you can do this and make the most of it. First things first, this feature is currently only available to certain accounts, typically those that Instagram considers high quality or have a large following. If you have access to this feature, here's how you can add a clickable link to your Instagram post. First things first, open your Instagram application. Start by tapping the plus icon on your Instagram home screen. And select post. Choose the photo or video
Hey
you want
everyone,
to.
welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking
Choose the photo or video you want to upload and hit next. Apply any filters or edits you want, then tap next again. When you get to the screen where you add a caption, type out your message. Then, to add your link, simply type or paste the URL directly into the caption box. Instagram will automatically recognize the URL and make it clickable once the post is published. It's really that simple, but remember, even with this feature, it's essential to keep your audience engaged with compelling content that makes them want to click through. Also, make sure that the link you're adding is relevant to the content of your post to ensure a good user experience. And there you have it. You're now ready to add clickable links to your Instagram post, enhancing your ability to drive traffic to your website, product pages, or wherever you want your followers to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below if you have any questions or new ideas.